This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Maserati hood. First, you'll need to locate the primary hood release lever. This is typically found inside the cabin, on the driver's side, often beneath the dashboard near your left knee. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, and the hood will unlatch, lifting slightly by about 1/2 inch from its closed position. Now, move to the front of your vehicle, directly facing the iconic Maserati grille. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap that allows you to carefully slide your hand underneath. You're looking for the secondary safety latch. This crucial mechanism is usually located near the center or a few inches to the right of the center, just under the hood's leading edge. It can be a bit tricky to find at first, so feel around gently. Once you've successfully located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to either press it firmly to the side or push it upwards. This specific action will fully disengage the hood's final locking mechanism. With the latch completely released, you can now gently lift the hood all the way open. Always ensure it moves freely and without resistance before applying more force, preventing any potential damage to the components. Finally, to keep the hood safely open while you work, locate the hood prop rod. This essential rod is typically attached to the underside of the hood itself or neatly tucked away within the engine bay. Extend the prop rod and firmly insert its end into the designated support slot, which is usually a small hole or notch. This ensures the hood remains stable and securely supported, allowing you to safely access the engine compartment for any necessary maintenance tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.